Hello students, welcome back to your MOV class. Again once more we will continue Act 3 Scene 5 whatever we left. Okay. Till now we learnt Lorenzo and Launcelot about the talks, and Lorenzo is telling that you go and see dinner is ready or not. Then Launcelot told yes, everything is ready. Then he said no, not so sir, neither I know my duty. Means he was overacting and telling that I am responsible enough to put on my hat to cover my head in the presence of my superior. But very simple language has been used by Lorenzo. So Lorenzo is telling, yet more quarreling with occasion, wilt thou show the whole wealth of thy wit in an instant? I pray thee understand a plain man in his plain meaning. Go to thy fellows, bid them cover the table, serve in the meat, and we will come into dinner. So what Lorenzo is telling? What still more arguments are you doing? There is no use of words or what? You are showing your more cleverness. Now are you trying to show your wisdom at all? Try to understand a simple man. I am telling very plain language. Plain meaning means what? Plain language I am speaking. Go to your fellow servants and tell them to lay the table and serve the food. We will come in and eat. Please telling Lorenzo. Then Launcelot. For the table, sir, it shall be served in. For the meat, sir, it shall be covered. For you are coming into dinner, sir, why let it be as humorous and conceit shall govern. So what Launcelot is telling? The table, sir, will be brought in and the food will be spread. You don't worry about that. Okay. As for your time of coming into dinner, sir, let that be up to your wish. Whenever you want, you come. Who is telling? Launcelot telling and exit. He is going out. He goes out. Oh, Launcelot. Okay. Then Lorenzo. What a oh dear discretion, how his words are sweeted. The fool hath planted in his memory an army of good words, and I do know a many fools that stand in better place garnished like him, that for a tricksy word defy the matter. How cheerest thou, Jessica? And now, good sweet, say thou thy opinion. How dost thou like the Lord Bassanio's wife? Then Lorenzo is telling, what a discretion in the choice of words. How befitting his words are. Whose? Launcelot's. The fool has a good stock of words in his mind, I feel so. Yes, no. They are having army of words. Good words means he is having stock of words. There are many higher ranking men in life than this fool. Okay. Like this he is garnished, he is dressed up. They are foolish and without discretion as he is. They abandon the sense of the meaning in order to use big words with pun. They want to tease the people, make the confusion the people when they will use the words of the tricksy words to make the fool to people. How are you, Jessica? Give me your opinion on Lord Bassanio's wife. Who is telling? Lorenzo is telling. Now, good sweet means whom he is addressing. Good sweet, Jessica. And now, how cheerest thou means how are you, Jessica? And good sweet, say the opinion about whom? Bassanio's wife. Who is Bassanio's wife? Portia. Jessica. Past all expressing. It is very meet the Lord Bassanio live in upright life. For having such a blessing in his lady, he find the joys of heaven here on earth. And if on earth he do not merit it, in reason he should never come to heaven. Why? If to God should play some heavenly match and on the other wazer lay two earthly women and Portia one, there must be something else found with other, for the poor rude world hath not her fellow. What she is going to tell now? Now Jessica is explaining her words, showing that something else more. About whom? About Portia. What she is telling? Words are not enough to express my admiration. It will be necessary for Lord Bassanio to live an upright life. Oh, Bassanio, since he has such a blessing in his wife, You understanding upright life and blessing? Blessing like joys of heaven are here and earth. Did you get it? No? Lord Beshani live an upright life for having such a blessing in his lady. Means such type of blessed lady he got. Who got? Beshani got. Who is the blessed lady? Or Portia. Who is studying this? This is told by Jessica. Because asked the question by whom? Lorenzo about Jessica. So she is telling. He has the joys of heaven here on earth. If he does not value the joy while on earth, he cannot expect go to heaven to enjoy such joys. Because all the joys, whatever he wants to, he bears already. He got it, all the joys. Who? Bassanio. By getting the hand of whose? Portia. Okay. Imagine two gods were to play some game of skill and have earthly women as prizes in the contest. If Portia were one of the two, there would have to be some more value should be added to the other woman so that she'll become equal to Portia. But sometimes she may not be equal. To whom? With whom? With Portia. But she is telling Portia were one of the two. There would have to be some more value added to the other women, or else the stakes would be unequal, for this whole poor world does not have Portia's equal. Hath not her fellow means nobody will be equalized with whom? With Portia. Who is telling this? Jessica is telling about whom? About Portia. Okay, Lorenzo. Even such a husband hast thou of me as she is for a wife. Then Lorenzo is just like funny way he is speaking. Jessica, you have a husband in me who has all the good qualities which you have described in Portia as an ideal wife. I feel so. Means whatever you have described, good qualities, she is the best one. Oh, Portia, about that you told now. I think I am the best husband for you. That way he was speaking. Oh, Lorenzo. Then Jessica. Nay, but ask my opinion too of that. No, but you should ask my opinion on that remark. Who is asking? Who is telling? Jessica is telling. Lorenzo. I'll anon. First let us go to dinner. I will consult you soon. Anon means consult you. Who is telling? Lorenzo is telling. I'll consult you soon. First let us go for dinner. Jessica. Nay, let me praise you while I have stomach. Jessica is telling, you may let me praise you while I am inclined to do so. Then Lorenzo, no, pray thee, let it serve for the table talk. Then howsoever thou speakest among other things, I shall digest it. Lorenzo is telling, no, this is my request that let it be a pleasant talk at the dinner table. Don't talk this and that way. Okay, pleasant talk should be there, so that then it matters not what you say, for what I shall digest it with the rest. Jessica, well, I'll praise your qualities. Then Jessica is telling, well, I'll set you forth. Then, well, I'll set you forth means what? Yes, Jessica is telling, well, I'll praise your qualities. Okay, then they both are leaving. Exit means they both are leaving. Thank you, children. If you are having any doubt, you can ask.